Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the US sending a massive aircraft carrier to Jamaica. The USS Nimitz is going to call on Jamaica next week. Now the USS Nimitz is an aircraft carrier and it's coming with a battle group. Aircraft carriers don't travel by themselves. They are always accompanied by other warships because aircraft carriers are so important and there are so few of them that they all travel with a battle group. So we're going to give you an update on this battle group led by the USS Nimitz coming to Jamaica. The USS Nimitz belongs to the Nimitz class of US nuclear-powered supercarriers. When it entered service in 1975, the Nimitz class became the largest class of warships ever constructed, measuring about 1,092 feet long and displacing more than 100,000 tons fully loaded. Today, the newer USS Gerald R. Ford holds the title as the world's largest aircraft carrier. The Ford class is roughly the same length as the Nimitz class but incorporates newer technology, greater electrical capacity, and improved aircraft handling systems. Guinness World Records lists the USS Gerald R. Ford as the largest aircraft carrier in the world. Even so, a visit by the USS Nimitz to Jamaica would still be extraordinary. The ship carries thousands of sailors, dozens of aircraft, and serves as a floating military airbase. Few vessels anywhere in the world match its size, power, or historical significance. For Jamaica, seeing a Nimitz-class supercarrier enter local waters would likely be one of the most impressive naval visits in modern Jamaican history. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.